Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk. Let's get ready.
System design. The main difference of HBO4 from the previous generations is the presence of special gas injectors, which carry out distributed injection of gas-air mixture into the engine intake manifold. Another superiority of the system is the possibility of combined use of two types of fuel. It is for this ability that many drivers have come to love the innovative system of gas supply to the engine cylinders. This HBO function makes it much easier to start the engine. At the same time, you can always press one button to switch the engine to the preferred type of fuel. Due to such manipulations, drivers are able to achieve the greatest savings on the purchase of fuel. Peculiarities of operation of the 4th generation HBO. After familiarizing yourself with the design of the installation, it is time to get an idea of how the 4th generation of HBO works. Being in a liquid state, propane-butane mixture from the cylinder through special lines goes to the reducer, where it is converted into a gaseous form. The fuel then passes through a gas filter to prevent various inclusions from entering the engine. Having passed thorough cleaning, the mixture goes to the fuel ramp, where it is accurately dosed with the help of injectors. The final stage is getting the fuel mixture into the engine manifold, and further through the intake valves directly into the combustion chamber. In a general idea, the principle of operation of HBO4 is as follows. Initially, the power unit of the car is started with gasoline in the normal mode. As soon as the coolant reaches a certain temperature threshold, most often 40 degrees Celsius, the temperature sensor installed on the gearbox sends the controller the relevant information. The control unit processes the received signal and gives the gasoline injectors a signal to cut off the fuel supply. At the same time, the multivalve on the gas cylinder is opened, and only after that the gas in liquid state enters the reducer, where it vaporizes to a gaseous state and is supplied to the fuel ramp. This principle of the system operation allows drivers to feel a number of positive aspects of car operation on gas. First, with the installation of HBO practically does not reduce the engine power, and with the correct configuration of the system increases at all. Secondly, HBO4 contributes to even greater savings of gas, hence, and money of the driver in contrast to previous generations. To maximize the effectiveness of the equipment is desirable to install on the car special spark plugs designed to work with gas. They contribute to the smooth operation of the engine, eliminate jerking of the vehicle and flaps from the exhaust manifold. In addition, gas does not wash away the oil film from the cylinder walls, thereby preventing premature wear of parts of the cylinder piston group. Operation of HBO4 in wintertime. Many car owners before purchasing a gas system ask themselves, how does the 4th generation HBO work in winter? Problems with starting the engine even during frost with the 4th generation system are not observed. The main thing is to carry out the launch and subsequent heating of the power plant exclusively at the expense of gasoline. However, all the nuances of gas equipment operation are monitored by electronics. In case of switching to manual control of the engine power supply system, the above rule should be adhered to. That is why it is important to have a certain amount of gasoline in the gas tank. It is also necessary to monitor the condition of the coolant and control its level in the system. Avoid emptying the gas cylinder completely. In winter, the amount of gas consumed by the car increases. This is normal and no action should be taken. During frosty weather, it is best to fill up with winter gas. The proportion of propane in this mixture is much higher. The tank should be filled to a maximum of 80%, because in the garage the winter gas significantly increases in volume as the temperature rises. These simple tips will help to avoid serious financial shocks, which often occur precisely because of neglect of the elementary rules of operation of HBO. Conclusion: the gas system provides the car engine with optimal power, and also makes it more economical. Gas compared to gasoline has a higher octane number, which is better suited for the work of the power unit of the car. With blue fuel, detonation, and all destructive consequences for the working elements of the engine disappear. Thus, the duration of work of parts and units of the motor is increased, which also contributes to considerable savings of the car owner's money. What is the fourth generation of HBO? It is not only the economy of the car, but also safety and comfort. The installation does not require close attention. Its maintenance is reduced to periodic drainage of condensate from the gearbox. After every 7 to 10,000 kilometers of mileage, timely replacement of filters, checking the condition of clamps and purging the lines. HBO4 is a completely safe complex of gas supply to the car, equipped with all the necessary functionality, emergency and flow valve, capacity accumulation indicator, etc. In conclusion, the HBO fourth generation gas cylinder equipment presents a compelling option for those looking to enhance their engine's performance and efficiency. With its advanced design and features, it offers numerous advantages, such as improved fuel economy and reduced emissions. However, potential drawbacks, including installation complexity and compatibility issues, must be carefully considered. Ultimately, the decision to install HBO fourth generation equipment should be based on a thorough evaluation of both its benefits and limitations, ensuring that it aligns with your engine's specific needs and your overall goals for performance and sustainability. Thank you for watching, and we hope this overview has provided valuable insights into the HBO fourth generation system.